Hello, and welcome back to our series. Let's make our site more user-friendly by adding a small yet functional feature that'll help your site visitors scroll back up in an instant, a back-to-top button. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to the plus button and go to Button. Look for the back-to-top button and drag and drop it to the right side of your page. Once it's added, click on it and click on Link. Make sure you select top or bottom of page and select top. Then click on done. Now right click on it and select pin to screen. Make sure that you pin it on the lower right. Now to design it, click on the design button and click on customize design. Then you can go ahead and customize its design however you want to. In my case, I'm just going to simply edit the background color to something that'll match my theme. And if you want, you can also even apply a shadow to it, which is what I'm going to do. Once you're done, click on Save to save your progress. And it's as easy as that. And that's how easy it is to add a back to top button to your Wix site. We hope you found today's video of help, and if you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.